What's up guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Dakota Nealon, and obviously we're not in the usual spot, we're not in the gym, but we're in the kitchen because we're whipping up some healthy pumpkin pancakes because it's finally the fall season, and of course everyone likes to indulge in the fall festivities like pumpkin flavored things, pumpkin spice lattes, and my favorite, pumpkin pancakes. But I found a little bit healthier way to make them. So we're going to be using some protein and oats and a little bit of just pure pumpkin spice, unsweetened almond milk, a little bit of baking powder to get them puff up. We're only going to be using the whites of these eggs. And if I didn't mention the flaxseed already, I think that's about it. And then we might be adding some pumpkin seeds as well to add some extra protein and fat. Otherwise, these are very calorie dense pancakes. They are healthier. They are not going to be like a slim or low carb or anything like that. They are just kind of meant to be a healthier substitute, and it's actually my first time attempting the recipe, so it should be fun and hopefully they turn out great because I'm really hungry, but I do have backup otherwise. So let's get right into this and let's eat some pancakes. First, we are going to start with the dry ingredients, which we are going to make our own flour out of just some old-fashioned oats. Very cost efficient, and yeah, it's a healthy alternative to just regular all-purpose flour. So we're going to take, I think, a third of a cup of these and put them into a spice grinder or coffee grinder or blender, anything like that, just to turn them into powder, and then we can get cooking. Also, to the oats, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this flaxseed meal, and it is supposed to add, it says right here, 2,400 milligrams of omega-3s. So it is a little bit more fat. It adds 60 calories to it. Really not that big a deal. Alright, so here we have the final flour from filling up those oats. Put that in. I don't know if this is going to be too big of a bowl or not. Into that, we're going to add 1 scoop of vanilla protein, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix that, they'll incorporate it and whatnot. Alright. Now we're going on to the wet ingredients. About a half cup, and then the rest of the way with milk. It should work. And then just kind of mix this all together. And then can't forget this. I'm gonna do a half a teaspoon of that. Mix that in, and now we're just going to combine everything. Actually looking pretty good. A little cinnamon, some nutmeg. Alright, so we have pretty much our pumpkin pancake batter, and now we're gonna whip up some pancakes. And I like to do mini ones, so I'm hoping I can get like 5 or 6 little mini pancakes. Alright, so these already have enough protein already, but I like to add some, they're actually pumpkin seeds. So I'm going to throw these into the grinder as well, and then put them right into the pancakes, because I'd rather that than put them over top. That's just my personal preference. So I have the pan preheating right now. I do just a little bit under medium, because I know the first batch, as always, of pancakes usually burn a little bit. So I'm going to be careful with the heat at first. And I am going to use a little bit of butter, but that's fine, just a little bit is okay in my books. It's actually looking really good. I feel like there are going to be some thick pancakes, but that's how I like them anyway, and sugar-free maple syrup is going to make anything taste good no matter what. So yeah, let's cook these bad boys up. They're looking thick. I feel like this is like muffin batter. So I got 4 in here. Looks like I'll probably be able to get like 1 more. They look pretty good. These things have some thickness to them. Really just the fluff of these pancakes. That's how you know when they're ready. They'll tell you. here we have the finished product. Fantastic. They smell just like pumpkin spice, and now it's time for the official taste test. Of course, sugar-free syrup, 5 calories for like 2 tablespoons, so I don't really want to hear it. I'm pretty much out, so I'm just gonna use as much as I want, just in case they're a little dry. Here it is for the official taste test. Good cut, could be very hot. Ooh. That's good. This one might be a little undercooked. It's just a little soft. Could do a little more pumpkins, like the spice. These are delicious. Definitely good. You can make probably 2 or 3 larger pancakes, but this is a great snack, and I will post macros up. I don't know them off the top of my head. I gotta put them into my fitness pal. But otherwise, if you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe, and look forward to some more recipes like this. Also, I will post the recipe in the description for you guys, so you guys can make this at home. And the only thing that will vary is protein. My protein powder, I think, absorbs a little bit more moisture, so it kind of makes them a little bit thicker. That might be a difference, but for you it may differ, and I will post the with pumpkin seed and without pumpkin seed, so you guys can see what the difference is with that, and also the difference in flax seed, because you don't need that. So it's just what I like to do. I tried to make this kind of a quicker, shorter video for you guys, but you know, in the kitchen is just as important as the gym. So just as much as you need to go to get some good workouts in, you need to make sure that you're eating right as well. And it's okay to splurge a little bit in the seasons, especially like this. Like I said, I love fall. I love pumpkin. I'll try and make some pumpkin roll, pumpkin French toast, also apple cider stuff. I know how it is this time of year. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and like I said, subscribe, and look forward to some more food videos. Guys, get after it, and I'm gonna enjoy this.